Good morning, you guys. Hope you're well. I just wanted to touch base with you before you had your class today. I wanted to let you know that we'll be going back to parables. That's what we were working on before we left for spring break, and then I gave you a couple weeks to ease into class time with some fun devotionals and videos, and now we'll be back to our curriculum. So anyway, today you guys will just be reading and looking at one parable. Remember, parables are short, fictional stories, meaning they're not real, but they're stories that Jesus used to teach a spiritual lesson or a kingdom lesson, things that we need to know and understand about his kingdom and how he works. And so today, when you're reading the story, you're going to be reading about men, workers who go out to a vineyard to work for a landowner. And I want you to think about, as you're reading this, what is the deeper meaning? What do the characters symbolize? So actually the characters in the stories, one of them is going to represent God, and some of the other characters are going to represent us. So think about that as you're reading. And then think about, what is the spiritual lesson that God is trying to teach us. So enjoy the parable, and then I would like to have a Zoom call with you guys for the next class period. So make sure you're on that Zoom call, because that'll count as your assignment, and we'll do some discussion and talking about parables and looking at the just reviewing over this parable and looking at some other parables. So this lesson should take you no longer than 15 minutes. I'm trying to honor your time, so let me know if it goes longer. I want to make sure that I'm not making these lessons, that they're meaningful, but they're not too long, because I know it's a little more difficult when you're working alone. So anyway, enjoy the parable, and hopefully I will see you on your next class period for a Zoom call, okay? And then the verse of the day is Isaiah 26:3, and it says, you keep in perfect peace those whose thoughts are fixed on you. And so remember that verse today, you guys, that Jesus can keep you in perfect peace, but you just have to keep your thoughts fixed on him. So I love you guys, miss you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.